This video will show you how to replace the plate lamp assembly on a GMC Sierra 2500. You'll have two of these. Each of them are mounted to your rear bumper. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. A quick note about this is the process for one will be the same as the other. To remove this, you're going to find that you have one locking tab. It's on the inboard side, right along this area. It's fairly difficult to see until you have it out of place. To dislodge this, I'm using a trim tool, but you can also use a flat blade screwdriver. I'm coming in, I'm pressing up against my locking tab, and I'm gently prying this away. Now I can show you where I was pressing. I was right up against that locking tab right there. It pulls away from this corner. Now we can remove our electrical connector and bulb socket from the back side of this. For this, we're going to take hold of it, we'll give it a twist counterclockwise, and you should be able to remove it. A quick inspection of the bulb. Replace it as necessary. This is a 194 bulb. There it is, friend. Now, if you do have to replace the bulb, of course it's glass, you want to be careful not to break it. We're just going to take hold of the bulb and slide it out of place. Once you have the bulb removed, have a quick inspection for corrosion. If you see any, it needs to be taken care of. Go ahead and dispose of that bulb, assuming you are replacing it. Now I have a brand new 194 bulb. We're just going to take this and we'll slide it into place. Double check to make sure that's secured. We're also going to double check to make sure we still have a gasket on this area. Replace that as necessary. Prior to installation of any brand new part, of course, we want to make sure we clean and inspect our mounting area. So for this, I'm just going to quickly wipe down my seal, and then we're also going to wipe down the bumper cover. Double check to make sure there is no damage. And now we can install our brand new plate lamp assembly. When we go to install this, we need to make sure we have everything aligned. Press it in, turn it clockwise. Now when we go to install the unit into the bumper cover, we're going to start with the outboard side. We're going to roll it in along the locking tab side. You can see them at an angle. Let's go ahead and press it in. After an audible click, double check to make sure it's secured in place. Now as I mentioned, the process for one side is the exact same thing as the other. After you've completed the job, go ahead and test the functionality. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.